Number 1. 2001 Ford F-150, price $5,900, well-maintained full-size pickup truck with 105,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a powerful 4.6L V8 gasoline engine, a green exterior, and a beige interior, offering both capability and comfort. The truck comes with 4 doors, making it practical for both work and family use. According to the owner, it has no accident history and holds a clean title, which is currently in hand. It is equipped with a tow package, making it ready for hauling and towing needs. The vehicle's registration is current and valid through February 2027. A smog inspection has already been completed, and it has been fitted with brand new tires. The owner states that the engine and transmission are running exceptionally well, with no known mechanical issues. The truck starts reliably, drives smoothly, and performs as expected, making it a dependable choice for its next owner. Number 2. 1998 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,000, diesel-powered truck with 172,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior, tan interior, and several upgrades for performance, comfort, and towing. Notable features include great tires, tinted windows, working AC and heat, power seats and windows, a black suede interior upgrade, rear-view camera, Wolfbox dash cam with accident detection, Excalibur remote start and security system, and GlowShift monitoring gauges. Performance upgrades include an SB cold air intake, aftermarket manifold pipe, 4-inch straight pipe exhaust, fast fuel system components, Beam fuel sump, Bilstein suspension, and a leveling kit. The truck is also set up for fifth-wheel towing and comes with maintenance records from the current owner. Known issues include an intermittent check engine light related to the boost sensor, a blend door that needs replacement, cosmetic paint flaws, a few seat tiers, and a cracked dashboard. The boost sensor light does not affect drivability or performance. Number 3. 1995 Ford F-150, price $8,500, powered by a reliable 5.0L V8 gasoline engine paired with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in red with a gray interior, the truck has traveled just 107,000 original miles and remains in excellent running condition. The air conditioning blows cold, and both fuel tanks are fully functional. It also benefits from a set of new tires installed within the last year, with fewer than 500 miles driven since their installation. Thanks to the truck's age, it is exempt from annual safety inspections in many areas, adding to its convenience of ownership. With its low original mileage, strong mechanical setup, and increasingly sought-after body style, this F-150 represents both a practical classic truck and a vehicle that has already begun appreciating in value among collectors and enthusiasts. Number 4. 1989 Ford Ranger, price $6,999. It has traveled only 65,000 original miles. Finished in a classic blue exterior with a gray interior, it is powered by a reliable 2.9L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2-wheel drive drivetrain. The truck has recently passed a state inspection and remains in excellent condition for its age. Its low mileage, original character, and well-maintained appearance make it increasingly difficult to find another example in comparable condition. The vehicle is fully ready for its next owner and represents an outstanding opportunity for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone seeking a clean, classic Ford pickup. The seller is offering the truck at a firm price, reflecting its exceptional originality, condition, and rarity. Number 5. 1992 Chevrolet S10, price $8,000. This truck has approximately 25,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a red interior, it is powered by a Jasper ZZ4 crate engine producing 355 horsepower, paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission with a manual valve body. Performance upgrades include an Edelbrock Evius 2650 CFM carburetor, Posi traction rear end with 3.73 gears, dual exhaust, new shocks, a lightweight balanced driveshaft, and an aluminum 3-core radiator. The truck also features a BM-gated shifter, fuel cell, bed cover, tinted windows, a 2-inch cowl hood, rear roll pan, and staggered 22-inch Riddler wheels. The interior is in decent condition for its age. Please note that the truck does not have heat or air conditioning. Number 6. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,950. Well-maintained pickup that has traveled approximately 230,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in black with a gray interior, the truck runs great and features an air conditioning system that blows ice cold. It carries a salvage title due to an attempted theft but has a current registration valid through May 2027, and the title is in hand. the truck is equipped with comfortable bucket seats and an upgraded stereo system that includes a subwoofer box and amplifiers mounted beneath the rear seat. Its exterior is enhanced with chrome weld wheels, BF Goodrich tires, a lifted suspension, painted bumpers, and a spray-in bed liner for added durability. Performance is further improved by a KN cold air intake system. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 offers a combination of reliable performance, practical utility, and custom upgrades that make it stand out from a typical pickup of its era. Number 7. 1994 Ford F-150, price $5,800, equipped with a dependable 5.8L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing a smooth and reliable driving experience. The truck has 120,000 miles on the odometer and features a classic black exterior complemented by a brown interior. It starts, runs, and drives well with no known mechanical issues. The exterior paint is not in perfect condition and shows signs of age and wear, which is expected for a vehicle of this vintage. However, the truck remains presentable and retains its classic F-150 character. The only known issue is that the air conditioning system does not blow cold air and may require service or repair. Aside from that, the vehicle is reported to be in good running condition. Number 8. 2000 Ford F-150, price $3,500, with only 77,000 original miles, which is exceptionally low for its age. Powered by a proven 4.2L V6 gasoline engine and paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive truck delivers reliable performance for both everyday driving and light-duty work. The vehicle is finished in an attractive gold exterior complemented by a clean tan interior. The truck comes equipped with several convenient features, including power windows, power door locks, cold air conditioning, and a durable bed liner to help protect the cargo bed from wear and tear. It has been well cared for throughout its life and runs and drives exactly as it should, with no known mechanical issues. The frame is solid, making it a great option for buyers looking for an older truck without the common rust concerns often found on vehicles of this generation. Number 9. 1996 Ford F-150, price $4,900, well-maintained and reliable 4x4 pickup powered by the durable 300 inline-6 gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck has 140,000 miles on the odometer and features a green exterior with a gray interior. It runs and drives well and has received numerous recent upgrades, including a lifted suspension, new ball joints, rear-end components, brakes, brake lines, wheels, and tires. The truck comes with a clean title and is completely rust-free. While it does have some dents consistent with its age, it remains mechanically solid and ready for use. The air conditioning system is currently not working, but overall, this F-150 is a dependable truck that has been well cared for and benefits from many new parts. Number 10. 1991 Ford Ranger, price $2,800. It has 227,000 miles and has been a dependable daily driver, demonstrating its reliability over the years. The truck is in good overall condition and retains its classic character, highlighted by a well-preserved original red interior that adds to its vintage appeal. It is equipped with a set of good tires and has no known fluid leaks, reflecting consistent upkeep and maintenance. The heater works properly and provides reliable comfort during colder weather. The only known issue is that the air conditioning is currently not functioning due to a seized AC compressor. Despite this, the truck continues to run and drive well, making it a practical option for everyday use or as a classic pickup for enthusiasts.